Hey guys, welcome to Sahim Adventures. I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm at this beautiful spot. It's the sunrise here in Doha and I'm here out in the desert. So that's my car. It's loaded with all the equipments for off-road. So I'm going to talk to you about all the basic equipments that you need to carry when you head out into the desert for camping. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe. So guys, these are some of the stuff that you need to carry with you. A normal rope, shovel to remove the sand from underneath your tires in case your car gets stuck. It's a small one, it can fit in your car easily. A tow rope, again when you're deeply stuck and there's no one around, you've got a tow rope with you and hopefully you see a car around and somebody can help you get out. But if you don't have this, then you'll have to wait for somebody who has it, so it's better to carry one. Booster cable in case you run out of battery. You have the wires with you because in the middle of the desert it will be very tough to find one. Air compressor in case your tires are flat out due to some reason in the sand dunes. This is your savior. This device to remove air from your tire. This one a multi-purpose equipment. It has tools, it has a plier, it has a knife, so it can be very handy when needed. LED headlight. So guys, this behind me is the camp setup. Camping chairs, shisha, since you're in Qatar you need to have that. Mesh, coal, something to light your coal, portable fan, something to light your coal again, and obviously barbecue pit, seek, the pan, something to make tea, a tent. It's for 2 persons. You can go sleep there in the night and wake up to a beautiful sunrise. Perfect. What's up, Sagar? What are you up to?
Yeah, I'm just making some tea. Karak.
Nice. So guys, this is one bag I forgot to tell you about. It's a bag that's always with me and it's been to many countries as well. So let me show you what is in it. So this is my army bag. It's always in my car wherever I go. It has snorkel to discover the underwater world. Towel. Shoes. Underwater shoes. So this bag is always with me in my car. Whenever we're out camping or we go out to the desert, you feel like taking a swim, I'm all ready.